Hello, hello, super people. Nice day today. Look at the sun. Sunny. Nice to work in front, pulling some grasses. Oo, bilis tutubo ng damo pag mainit. Bunutin na while they are still small. Mm. 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 And this is my eggplant. Wow. Mag-survive sa winter. Dalawang winter na. And they are still alive. Namumunga pa rin. 2 years. These are 2 years eggplant. They are still alive. Look at that. Look at that. May maliit. Nakasurvive sa winter. It's so cold. Maraming bunutin na. Sa summer, ito ay puno ng California poppies. See? Nag-start na namang tumutubo. Every year tumutubo ang California poppies here. Ito na yung dragon fruits na tinanim ko sa puno ng kahoy. Wala pang bunga, hindi pa namulaklak. Pero marami na sila, oh. Nagsusurvive sa winter. Ito naman, tinamnam ko na ng dragon fruit. Aakyat yan hanggang doon sa taas. Mayroon din dito natakpan ng lemongrass. Ang daming tumubong mustard. Masarap kilawin. See? Ang dami, oh. Masarap kilawin. Maraming nasisirang sweet lemon. Oh, ang dami pang bunga. Wow! Overripe na. Oh. Pipitasin na lahat sana pero masisira naman pag hindi mo kinain. Nagsusurvive din ang aking dragon fruit. Baka sakaling this year ay magbubunga sila. Oh. I don't know. Hopefully. Mustard. Green mustard. Masarap ang dahon. Ilahok sa sinigang. Eat it fresh. And then mango is growing. Tumutubo pala ang mango dito sa Sacramento kahit na malamig. This is loquat. Loquat. Persimmon. Parang patay pero in a few months lalabas na naman ang dahon. Daming mga mustard lang, tumutubo na lang. I let them grow. Loquat pa rin, loquat. My avocado is growing up. 5 years. You have to wait 5 years kasi buto na itinanim. Ngayon lang tumutubo ang aking bawang. I planted late. The guava wala nang bunga. Oh, mayroon pang bungang isa doon. This is another guava. No, this is mango. Wow. Tumutubo rin slowly but surely. This is talong. Hopefully it'll survive hanggang next summer. These are the sili. 3 years na rin tumutubong ganyan. Kasurvive sa winter. I think this is parang patay na. Pero I think this is kiwi. Malaki na ang kiwi. Kiwi. And here, meron din garlic hanggang dyan. Dito, tumutubo pa lang. Okay, super people. This is my boogie. Nakakasurvive sa winter ang boogie. And this is calamansi. Hopefully magbunga rin. Please like, share, and subscribe, and follow my channel. This is rosemary. Super Martin Official.